Hi traders, today is 15th of January 2020, so this is a live trading natural gas using contract February 2020. So at this moment we are on the long positions. Okay, so we did enter the market at 2.130 and targeted to take profit at around 10 ticks. So this is scalping natural gas during US session. So this is based on my special setup for natural gas during US session. So this let's focus on the medium. Let's focus on the middle chart. So in this case, you will see that we can have a look that I did enter the market here, and this is a small triangle long at 2.130 and targeted to take profit at 2.139. So 2.140 should be around 10 ticks. So this is the target we have predetermined before we enter the market, and also we're still in the minus 4 ticks. So let's wait, it's gonna take some time, maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes. So let's wait whether the market will go to the direction of our long position, maybe create another pullback. So let's wait, and this is a quick scalp. So thank you for watching, and we will resume later. We'll pause this video until there is a good move on the market price. So let's before we pause, let's take a look on the volume. So there's a spike on volume at 2.123. There's not much interesting, and also 2.27. This is quite common, so there's no spike of volume on the higher side or lower side. At 2.116 is quite high. 84 have been detected. This one is typical. 98 shouldn't be a problem, and multiple layer of working. Okay, let's wait. So still negative at this moment, minus 6 ticks. Still waiting. Okay, there's a high volume as well at 2.126. I hope to reach to this destination. So pause first this video, it's gonna take some time. Okay guys, there's a sudden move, you can see. Now we are back to 0 PNL, and let's wait. Hopefully the market will push to the higher side. So the crude oil inventories will be any moment soon, and hopefully it will not affect natural gas situation. We hope for a full reversal, and so let's wait. Okay, yeah, natural gas is quite a bit boring compared to crude oil, but it's also one of the easiest market you can go into. Just yeah, and also the margin is quite cheap. I'm using AMP futures brokerage, and hopefully this gonna encourage you guys to trade natural gas, because there's a lucrative market as well for US session. The profit is not much, 10 ticks, 12 ticks, but it's quite a steady income, so you can